Are you looking for a seamless way to schedule and cross-promote your content on Bluesky directly from your dashboard? Then this tutorial is for you. Make sure you have installed and activated both the free and pro versions of SchedulePress on your WordPress dashboard. First, let's create an app password directly from your Bluesky account. Log in to Bluesky, navigate to the Settings menu on the left sidebar, and click on Privacy and Security. Select App Passwords, then click Add App Password. Enter a unique name for this password, such as SchedulePress, then check Allow Access to your direct messages and hit Next. Copy the generated app password, and then click Done. Now, let's connect your Bluesky account with SchedulePress. Return to your WordPress dashboard, go to SchedulePress from the sidebar, and open the Social Profile tab. Scroll down until you find Bluesky and toggle it on. Click Add New. Enter your Bluesky handle under Identifier, and paste the generated password into the app password field. Click Connect your account, hit Save, and then click Save Changes at the bottom left to confirm. Next, head over to the Social Templates tab and select Bluesky from the sidebar menu to customize your post categories, content structure, and media preferences. Don't forget to click Save Changes. Now, let's open a post in WordPress to schedule or share it. Open any post in the Gutenberg editor. For Manage Social Sharing, choose Bluesky from the platform icons, adjust your post template or preview as needed, select the specific date and time to schedule, and click Update. Finally, click the Share Now button to share your post to Bluesky. Click Save Changes button to save the settings. Let's have a quick preview. Switch over to your Bluesky profile, and you'll see your WordPress post published smoothly right on your feed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tips.